On our way to the Hyatt Istanbul. Hyatt Istanbul opened in 2008 and its latest owner is Nusret Restaurant, also known as the Salt Bae, who purchased the property in 2019. There is a portrait of the Salt Bae on the wall. After check-in, we asked the general manager and see if he knows that Salt Bae is around. He was super nice to arrange us to meet Salt Bae himself. We were very lucky because he was about to fly out to London in 20 minutes. The general manager showed us to one of the rooms that was ready and even lent us a metro card to use. Let's start with the first room, one king deluxe. The second room is the Park Suite King. The only difference is that there's the extra living room. Salt Bae's famous steak restaurant, Nusret, is located on the second floor where they also serve daily breakfast, and it is the only Nusret restaurant that offers breakfast.